Okay. Hello everyone!
Hi!
How do you spend your Valentine's?
Well,
We'll show you!
yeah!
Huh?
Calamari na ready to fry.
You okay there?
Yeah!
Tomahawk. Chef, ano yan, chef? Nax. Nakakapogi ba yan? Laki. Salt. Ire-rest yung salt and pepper.
Oo, dyan. Nakaganyan lang siya muna.
Yung na-vlogger tayo, nailagay sa oven na hindi natin nabibideo. Charot.
Load pasta.
Ooh!
Okay, ihalo ko pa ito. Grilled pan.
Luto na to. Ooh, it's cook na. Gagawa din tayo ng potato gratin. How do you say it? Potato gratin? Gratin?
Oh, no, 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 no.
Soup. Soup, 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 soup. Oops.
I want some more.
Okay. Masarap na cheese. Okay, and then potato again. Okay. Wow naman yung chef namin. Happy Valentine's! Happy Valentine's!
Happy Valentine's!
Look, we have carbonara, we have potato gratin,
Because you hide under the...
and we have the steak. Oh, Daddy, you can start cutting the steak.
Di ko alam, first time cooking.
Show me.
Wow!
Medium.
Nice.
Is that medium?
Yeah. So soft? There you go.
Get on this board, we're going to show you how to arch. Then like this.
Kapal naman ang hiwa mo.
Now just picture you're going to be flying around.
Hindi hiwa na makapal, tsaka hiwa niya kanino. Hindi ka pwedeng server. Pakita mo. Yan. Okay, time to eat.
Are you okay?
Is it yummy?
Pasta. Later, okay?
Oh, let's put some gravy.
Orange juice? I
As
want
long as you're going to eat, huh?
Let's try the steak. It's so tender.
Mommy, you're not coming with me.
Mmm, lovely. Sarap. Ang sarap ng tomahawk. Very good si Daddy, hmm?
But the jungle protected the tears. History will tell you his journey ended in failure.
Pero paano lambot?
Sakto lang yung seasoning. Lasang lasa.
That he was found by the guardians of the tree and nursed back to life. That he demanded they give him the sacred arrowhead, the key to finding the tears of the moon. That Aguirre attacked.
Wala kami pang kain sa labas pero may pambili kami tomahawk. Alam mo naman yan. At least hindi siya rare. Medium siya na, medium cooked.
Yeah, medium rare yan.
Oh, sige nga. Wala na.
A cure for all ailments, whether consumption,
Well done.
dengue fever,
Yummy. Spicy squid. Ano nga to? Calamares.
Give me your cup.
Care of Musgrave.
Okay.
We also have
Read the pasta.
Care of Musgrave as well. Sarap. Mas masarap yung sauce na ginawa mo nung nakaraan.
Ano na yung nakaraan eh? Yung chili.
Yummy.
It's so yummy, right, Mommy?
Yeah.
Sarap.
And I
Masarap.
even tried it.
Masarap din yung potato gratin.
Ano lang?
If you make this
medyo
it will be so yummy.
Pwede na. Masarap, maalat na.
That
Masarap ng alat niya.
Gravy.
gravy?
One more potato.
Gravy lang.
Can I have some?
Mainit.
No, I want it on.
Yummy.
Nice on your pasta.
I also want this.
Look at ate eating steak. Wow. Taduling. One more subo ng steak. Harap? Masarap pala talaga ang ano lang, Babs. Ang medium na cook lang, hindi yung medium well. No? Kasi tender siya, oh. Tama, oh, pinkish pa siya.
Hindi.
Sa yellow.
Hindi. Sparkly siya eh.
Sarap. Yummy. We will enjoy our dinner. What will you say, Evie?
Like and subscribe.
Say bye-bye.
Bye
Happy Valentine's. Ba?
bye.
We'll enjoy our dinner. Ah.